Hi guys, welcome back. Today is 22nd March 21. It's day 3 and week 9 of our live trading series. You can see in the right side window, Sensex is down by almost 0.5%. India VIX is up by almost 3.5%, which is not a good sign for the market, and I wasn't expected that. And Bank Nifty is also down by almost 300 point. That's also not good for my position, and Nifty 50 is down by almost 0.5%. And if I'm talking about my position, you can see in the middle window I have bought 35,500 put 2 lot, then sold 34,500 put 3 lot, then bought 33,500 put 4 lot. It's a ratio butterfly, or you can say the advanced butterfly, and the ratio is 132, and the maximum profit in this strategy is 50,000 and the loss is 50,000. And the current time is almost 10:50. So let's see what will happen till the closing time. I have been carried this position from Friday, so I don't think I should change my position right now. So let's see what will happen. And one more thing guys, I do not comment in the full video. I comment when I feel I should share something important, or when I make or square off my position. So please watch the full video so you can understand why I'm make or break my position. So please keep watching. Thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back. Current time is 1 p.m. You can see in the right side window, Sensex is down by almost 550 point, but Bank Nifty is down by almost 2.5%, and India VIX is up by almost 5.75%. So that is not a good sign for my position, and I think that I should change my position right now. So now I have just scared of my 35,500 put 2 lot, and also bought my 34,500 put 2 lot. So now I have only 34,500 put 4 lot sold, and 33,500 put 4 lot bought. You have seen that guys, I'm changing my position according to the market situation. So as a trader, you have to change your position according to the market situation. Sometime it will be a defensive position, or sometime it will be a aggressive position. If I'm talking about my current position, it is, I think, a very aggressive position. So the maximum profit in that strategy would be 50,000, and the loss would be 50,000 minus the costing. So let's see what will happen till the closing time. So please keep watching guys. Thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back. Current time is 3 p.m. and it is the closing time of the market. And you can see in the right side window, India VIX is recovered from its lower point, and it was 5% up and now it's only 3% up. And in Bank Nifty is also down by almost 700 point, and it is also recovered from its lower point. So I think I should carry that position for tomorrow. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. So please keep watching guys. Thank you so much.